Hi. Today I'm going to talk about why not work from home on your computer. Earn an income online. Have you ever tried to earn an income through part-time work online, hoping that you'll be able to do that full-time when you can support yourself from the earnings? Many of the money-making systems are outdated when purchased. They made money for someone and are now sold, even though system which you won't get a chance to see until someone has used it all up and it's outdated and on the selling block once again. Let me tell you, making money online is no simple task, and don't let anyone fool you into thinking that they have some get-rich-quick system. However, once you learn how everything works and can make nice websites, you can generate a great income as an affiliate marketer in a niche that you love. With about 3 billion potential internet viewers, you can do quite well in your own online business with very little financial investment and $0 to start. When I was searching for a career change and needed to exchange a very active job for something that didn't require so much physical labor, I wanted to choose a non-core career that would be challenging and something that I could do from home even well into my retirement years. Learn something new. Well, I learned how to build a solid online business, expand it and take it to the next level. You can do this too, through part-time work online in the evenings and weekends, and when you have time until you get things built up. Then you can choose if you want to go full-time or keep the day job and enjoy the additional income from your part-time efforts. Your online business should not feel like a day job. Earning money online should be fun, and it is fun. Once the learning curve is complete, you will start following a well-laid-out plan for success. After all of your online efforts start paying off, even with a low income, you'll want to spend more time with it. Making money online. There are many ways to make money, even with part-time work online. Thousands of different ways, in fact. The problem is that people often get distracted by the latest and greatest product or service, and they aren't able to stick with one method and build a successful and revenue-generating online business. There are 3 things that you will need: a nice website, education or knowledge, and some expert help. Choose a niche. A niche is a distinct segment of a market, in other words, an audience. So when choosing a niche that fits you, you should be choosing something that is ideally an interest, a passion, a hobby, a problem, a need or a want. Almost everything you can think of is a niche, and that is why we are going to get you to choose your niche based on things that you are interested in. You can earn money online from absolutely every single niche, because there are billions of people out there searching every day. This all starts with choosing a niche that you are interested in and will enjoy working with. The more that you enjoy something, the less it feels like a job and the more productive you're going to be. Building your own website. Now that you have chosen your niche, you are going to create your very own website. Please click my link in description for more information. Thanks.